It's Mickey Mouse. Excuse me. It's Quinton Ware, the fashion doll. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another unboxing. Actually, two unboxings. But before we get to that, my friend Stacy, she had sent me that Chloe Budget online doll. If you caught that video, if you have not, please go watch it. But she also sent me this Barbie extra mini, which I've never got one of these. So we are excited for her. But since I was opening something small, I've had this Chelsea Dreamtopia Barbie for a while. So I said, let's open the two small girls together. Cute stocking stuffers. But when Stacy sent me this mini and the Chloe doll, she also sent me this stunning Barbie mug. So cute. Official merch. I love the handle so much. This is my third coffee mug with the gold handle. But this is probably my favorite. It's very cute. I love that it's like the same as the B. And it's actually a set, and it came with cocoa. And I like cocoa. I will be using this. Let's see, does it have packets? And this is like a gift set. So, you know, I'm talking about holiday gift sets. So this would be cute to give to someone as a gift. And you get one packet of cocoa. So I will be using that, but very cute. Go off Mattel. Cute packaging. But yes, thank you, Miss Stacy. Let's open the mini that Stacy sent me first. And if you are a doll collector, you may have seen on other channels, but the Barbie extras in general, I believe this line has been discontinued. So, you know, if there's some that you want, maybe be on the lookout for them in the discount stores, and you probably can find one on sale. But let's open her. And just like I've had a regular mini, they don't have the numbers on them, so I don't know what number she is. And I didn't even bother showing the back of the packaging because it doesn't really have anything cute. But very easy to pop out. And she's in the plastic. Oh, hi, pony. And they already come on the stand, which is different. I don't think the other ones did. And then the regular Barbie extras didn't have a stand at all. I wonder why they didn't give a stand with the Barbie extras. Because they did. Y'all could have kept those animals. I would have rather liked the stand or some extra clothes. But clearly, I love you, Mattel, but y'all just be doing what y'all want. I guess that's on brand. But here's the stand. The base is purple, but then the black, support part is clear. And here is Miss Mama's. Her little bow purse is cute. I like her glasses and her high pony. She has a very cute face. Get into her gold eyeliner. And look at her shoe. Now, y'all could have gave her a heel or something. I'm not crazy about this little shoe with this dress. But the dress is cute. Love the big old hoops. She is so tiny. I am impressed with all the detail they were able to add with these little dolls. Now, the regular minis have articulation, like you can bend them at the knees. You only can bend her at the shoulders and the waist. Her head does rotate. Can't really move her up and down. But for her to be as little as she is very cute. But again, for the holiday season, this is a cute stocking stuffer. She's cute. And let's pop her back on the stand. Okay. And here she is on her stand. And her hair is not bad. I don't mind the hair. It doesn't have no nasty glue in it. It just put a little rubber band for the pony. Yes. I'm actually going to keep her glasses attached to her head. But she is very cute. I feel like maybe I saw her online because this dress looks familiar. But let's open this Barbie Dreamtopia Chelsea. And I believe these dolls coincide with a movie that Barbie has on Netflix. I haven't watched any of the Dreamtopia movies. No shade. It's hard for me to watch any of the Barbie animated films. I tried to watch one and I couldn't get into it. But I hear that the Barbie Dream House show is so good, so I may try to watch that one day. But I couldn't do the Netflix movie. I actually think I watched one of these Dreamtopia movies because they were mermaids in the movie I was trying to watch. But speaking of mermaids, and I'm going to put her on the side, the Angel Kent designed some mermaids, and I think they're starting to come out. I really want one. I'm going to post the one that I want in the video, but she has the Odile face sculpt. If any of my viewers see her, please message me, go on my Instagram or something. If you want to purchase her for me, if you see her, I'll send you the money. I just want one. And I don't want to miss it because it's so pretty to me. And I love mermaids. And I didn't open my Holly Little Mermaid doll. So I would like another mermaid that I wouldn't mind taking out the box. But here is Miss Chelsea. I probably should have did that on screen, but the tail comes separate and you just pop it on. I can't even take it off. Oh wow, they don't let you take it off once you do it. But that's fine. It does spin. And you can move her tail so she can go from swimming to sitting down. The arms move. And the tail is cute. It's kind of like a little translucent. Her hair is cute. I feel like she could use a boil wash. But it's not bad. It's not crunchy. I love when they don't have glue in their hair. The glue in the hair is just so terrible. But she does have a cute face. I like her color scheme. I think her headband, yeah, it's attached, and I'm going to leave it attached. And you can take this necklace off. I'm going to leave that on. But she's very basic. But again, for collectors, if they don't have these, you want to get a collector a small little gift for a stocking stuffer or a child in your life. I think both of these are very cute stocking stuffers. You could find 3 of these and throw all of them, or 4, whatever, and throw them all in the stocking. And I'm sure kids love quantity, not quality. It could all tear up in 5 days, but they're just going to be happy that they have toys on Christmas. And, you know, this will help you do it. Very cute. But yes, again, I'm going to be on the lookout for those other mermaids. She's giving JonBenet Ramsey. It's giving pageant girl with the wig on. But again, very cute. Yes. And I can't wait to drink tea out of my mouth. But yes, these are 2 more items to add to your holiday gift list. Get a doll lover or a child in your life a doll. These are Quinton Wear approved. And they are stunning. So yes, thank you all for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. If you see one of those new mermaids I was talking about, please let me know, because I definitely want one. Please watch my Ariana Grande Bratz doll pitch review. And I will see you soon. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Ta-ta.